This is a very tough captain. The one receiving the trophy is the captain. I did everything. Please, this is the moment we have been waiting for. Nobody is going home empty-handed. Congratulations, Graceland girls, for doing everything it takes. Very good. Congratulations. Can you turn for, yes, the camera? Good. Thank you very much, Graceland. Please, join in there. Thank you very much. As they go and take their positions. Who are we? Okay. May I invite this prostitute of soccer? Please, you have been very instrumental in our game. Thank you very much. Thank you. Can we extend a bit backward our beautiful young girls? Receiving that trophy is Gulu Central High School. Trophies are not given to losers. These are champions only receiving trophies. Congratulations. Thank you very much. And as they come to sit, may I keep to invite the captain of Gulu High School, and this trophy of course will be handed by Ashu, the sports officer. Keep on warming, you are a sportsman. Thank you. Gulu High, the big moment has arrived. The bull that is slaughtered is waiting for us. Me, I'm passing by Gulu High. I have also seen the captain of Gulu High in a different jersey. That's a captain. Congratulations, Gulu High.